Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. So today I'm going to solve one of the issue that is unable to resolve module native HTML transit render engine. So I'm facing this issue. So those who haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and do like, share and comment on my video if you really like my videos and all. Okay, so let's start this tutorial. So this is this basically I have used this render HTML component. I'm trying to render the HTML into our React Native part. So I am just getting this error to how to resolve this error. So I think there would be a dependency of the package, so we need to install this package. So I have already figured out. Let's copy this one package and try to install this one. Okay, and paste this in pm render engine. So this is installed. Let's try to reload this build or make a new build again. I think the build is working fine, I guess. Let's see. So I think it is installed, and let's see the here. I think hope so it will not going to throw any kind of error. Reloading, and the error is resolved. You can see that there is. Let's clear it and here and try to run this npm start recache. Okay, reloading this. See, the error is gone. Okay, so you can see that with the help of this we can achieve this one. So in the coming video we are going to learn about how to render html. You can see that the html is rendered, but in the coming video we are going to learn about how to render html in the react native. So be with us. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.